Hey everybody, this is Kent from St. Louis Foundation Repairs. We are on our Wild Horse Creek Parkway piering project. We're going to install 6 piers. 2 piers we're going to install from the inside here. The foundation has dropped on the rear back corner of this home, and we are going to do a lift to bring it back up into place so that the doors and windows will shut properly on the back side of the home. We're also going to locate 4 piers on the outside, one in the corner here, one on the corner of the fireplace, on each corners of the fireplace, and then one about 8 foot back from the fireplace. It is a full brick fireplace, so this will be a little bit of a tricky lift to make sure that we get everything back up into place. Again, this is Kent Schrum with St. Louis Foundation Repairs. Call us for all of your foundation repair needs at 314-520-9515. You can also visit us on our website at stlouisfoundationrepairs.com.